Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create an Amazon account using your mobile number. It's quick and easy and just take a few minutes. Let's dive in. At first, open your Amazon app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store. So we have already downloaded our Amazon application. Tap on it and open the application. Here on the welcome screen, you have to enter your first and last name, and on the second bar you have to enter your mobile number, and at the last you have to type a password for the application. Then click on verify mobile number. Amazon will ask to solve a puzzle to test if you are human or a robot. Then hit on confirm. Amazon will send you an OTP message via your mobile number. You have to type in the message or a code and click on create your Amazon account. So that's it. This is how you create a Amazon account through your mobile number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.